President Kennedy had a news conference on January 30th, 1962, in which he called the size of the U.S. Strategic Reserve too large and too costly.
At his news conference, President Kennedy's most important statement centered on what he termed excessive stockpiling of war materials. He says that the government has bought and stored more than could possibly be used.
The purpose of this program, over a period of several years, has been to store for future use those strategic materials which might be essential to the nation in the event of an emergency. After a review of this program upon assuming the responsibilities of office, I was astonished to find that the total stockpile now amounts to some $7.7 billion worth of materials, an amount that exceeds the CCC's total inventory of farm products, and of more importance, an amount that exceeded our emergency requirements as presently determined by nearly $3.4 billion. I have therefore discussed this matter with Senator Symington, chairman of the Senate Stockpiling Subcommittee. He agrees that the program should be completely explored and without delay. I have assured him that we will make available to his subcommittee all the material we have already discovered and that the executive branch will cooperate fully with any investigation.